accounting and purchasing company, AS 14 is applicable, wherein standard suggests you a 5-parameter test. Standard suggests you a 5-parameter test. What is that 5-parameter test? If that 5 parameters get satisfied in a test, in such case, amalgamation is said to be in the nature of merger. If any of those 5 parameters are not satisfied, in such case, it is amalgamation in the nature of purchase is what standard suggests you. Now, what are those 5 parameters? AS 14, the 5 parameters are number one, all assets and liabilities of selling company should be taken over. All assets and liabilities of selling company should be taken over. Number 2, assets and liabilities should be taken over at book values. That means whatever value these assets and liabilities had in selling company's balance sheet, the same values should be incorporated by me in my balance sheet also. My balance sheet in the sense purchasing company's balance sheet. Okay, these are first 2 important aspects. Number 3, equity shareholders holding not less than 90% should agree for the scheme of amalgamation. Okay. Now, which equity shareholders? It is the selling company's equity shareholders who should agree for this scheme of amalgamation. That means the shareholders of the erstwhile entity, should agree to bring in their business into this business. Bring in their business from that company to this company. Okay. And for that, I need a rule of thumb of at least 90% should agree from there to here. Okay. Next, number 4. All the equity shareholders should be paid purchase consideration only through equity shares in purchasing company. Purchase consideration to the equity shareholders of selling company should be paid only through equity shares in purchasing company. Okay, equity shares in purchasing company. However, for fraction of shares, cash is allowed. And lastly, the business which was carried on by selling company should be continued in this business also. The business should be continued. Okay. Broadly, these are what you have in AS 14, the 5-parameter test to observe whether a transaction is a amalgamation in the nature of merger